Ooh, we're going into the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. And it's all decorated for Halloween. Look at this. Wow, Harper. Look at that. It smells good in here. Oh my goodness, Harps, look at these big old gummy bears. They do, but it'll melt in the truck.
Yeah.
Look at the gummy bears. That's a lot of gummies, huh?
Yeah.
Look at they got Halloween candies. Chocolates. Ooh, look at that. Those are the River Rocks. And the bubble gums. You're just trying to convince me to buy something. That's what you're trying to do. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is your favorite. Is this fudge?
That's Mommy's favorite.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, yum.
Diablo bears. I bet these are hot.
Yeah.
Ooh, you like hot stuff, don't you? I don't know about that, man.
That'd be probably way too spicy, but that fudge looks excellent.
Are those hot? Like super hot?
Everybody has different taste buds. To me, they're not really spicy. Other people say they are.
Do they taste like the Mexican candy type stuff, or?
It's gonna have our day of pizza cover on it with some
Okay. Ooh, look at this.
Can I have these then?
No, those won't matter. Yeah, we can buy those.
My Chesters.
We ain't got no Chesters. Look at all the Halloween goodness. That's my favorite stuff. Look at this. You sure you don't want none of these, Harps? I'll buy one of these. It's like a gummy skeleton. They're milk bones.
Those Halloween pops are cool.
That's what I'm saying.
Are you sure you don't want one of those?
Harps, you sure you don't want one of those? I'll get you one of those.
Do you want one of these instead?
They're gummies. It's like
They're
a...
gummy lollipops.
Those look delicious. These cookies look amazing. Look at this sugar cookie.
I know.
They're huge. And the M&M cookie. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss my mom's cookies so much.
Are these pop?
They're not really pop rocks.
Look at these. These are candy apples, but they're different types, man. Those are awesome. Oh, we even have ice cream in here. Check this out. Get it? Ice cream. That looks good. Look at all those. Delicious. What's that?
She wants a Minion Twinkie Pop, but I told her I might melt in the car.
A Minion. Oh, you got the skull dude, the Day of the Dead.
He gets a bite off his head first.
Oh my goodness. Say thanks for watching. Say I'll eat you later, Gator. Oh, bye-bye head.
Bite his head.
That's the Day of the Dead head. Oh, that sure does look delicious. Just be careful with that stick. All right.
Yummy.
That's the Flintstones car. You gotta go, yabba dabba doo. She just slammed them all down in her mouth.
Yeah. Come on, she ate that whole thing already.
What? You hungry?
I asked her if I could have one. No, they're mine.